Hello, and welcome back to another DSA question. Today we will be looking how we can find union and intersection of two arrays. We need to find the union of the two arrays that is all unique elements present in both arrays. The intersection of the two arrays that is common elements present in both arrays. Our input will be two arrays, and output will be union and intersection of these two arrays. Approach for union. The union of two arrays contains all the unique elements from both arrays. We'll add all elements from the first array to a set. Then, add elements from the second array to the same set. Duplicates will be automatically handled, since a set stores only unique elements. Approach for intersection. The intersection of two arrays contains only the common elements between them. For this, we'll iterate through one array and check if each element exists in the other array. We will store the common elements in another set to avoid duplicates. Time complexity for union is O n plus m, where n and m are the sizes of the two arrays, since we are traversing each array once. Time complexity for intersection is also O n plus m in the worst case, since we use a set to check membership in constant time on average. Edge cases are empty arrays. If either array is empty, the union will be the elements of the non-empty array, and the intersection will be empty. No common elements. If the two arrays have no common elements, the intersection will be an empty set. Let's move on to our code now, starting by adding the library and namespace statement. Hash include set includes a sorted container of unique elements with fast lookup. Hash include vector includes a dynamic array container for efficient sequential storage and access. Then we will start with our union function. We initialize an empty set named union set. First, we add all elements from array 1 to the set. At this point, union set equals 1, 3, 4, 5, 7. Next, we add elements from array 2. The set automatically handles duplicates, so after inserting elements from array 2, the final set becomes union set equals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Finally, we convert the set to a vector and return it as the result. Then we will start our intersection function. We initialize an empty set named intersection set to store common elements. We first create a set named element set from array 1 to make lookups efficient. Then, we check each element in array 2. If an element exists in array 1, that is, it is found in element set, we add it to the intersection set. The result is intersection set equals 3, 5. We convert this set to a vector and return it as the result. Then we have our main function. This is where all the action happens. We start by creating two arrays on which we will be working with. Next, we calculate the size of each array. After calculating the size of the arrays, we will call our union and intersection functions. And finally, we print our results for union and intersection of the two arrays. time to test our code. And here we got the correct output. That's a wrap for today. In the next video, we will tackle another question. Till then, keep practicing and don't forget to like and subscribe.